Hey everybody out in YouTube land, Scott, I'm back again. Wanted to talk to you guys about a great program that I've been working on, and that's one of the reasons why you guys haven't seen me too much, because I wanted to make sure that it worked and test it out and all that good stuff. But I've got some awesome news for anybody that wants to work from home but does not have a bunch of money to start up or any kind of stuff like that. I know a lot of my programs, they cost money, and a lot of people want to get in this game, but they can't because they can't afford it. Well, that's not really a problem anymore, because this company that I found, it's called BestEasyWork.com, and you can start off making money for absolutely free, absolutely no cost to you. Now, I am going to say that when you do upgrade, you're going to make a whole lot more money. This program is phenomenal. They pay out every single day. The training is awesome in this thing. They give you so much for absolutely nothing. You get your own website. You never have to pay for hosting. You don't have to do anything like that. Nothing at all. They have a very easy to follow training guide. I'm telling you right now, you can be finished with that training in minutes and be on your way to making some money. Now I've been fooling with this for a while, and now that I've got the hang of it, this is just this week. This is over $4,000 that I made with Best Easy Work. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Even free members make money. And who else does that? Who else does that? You know, for a long time, I always said that, you know, you never can make any money just giving stuff away. But you know what? When I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll stand corrected. That's not a problem. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link in the description underneath this video. So if you want to check it out, it takes no time to sign up. It takes no time to get started. It's 100% free. And on the back end of this video, I'm also going to have a good friend of mine, Brad Kamansky. He's going to kind of explain how that when you upgrade, you can actually make money from sitting on your butt and doing nothing. This is an awesome program. If you guys aren't doing this and you want to work from home, you want to get your foot in the door someplace, please click on the link, sign up. If you can upgrade. That's awesome. That all that's going to do is benefit you. It's just going to get you overrides. It's going to make you more money on the back end and on the front end. So, any rate, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. Please enjoy my video with Brad. Till next time, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, whatever. Click on the little red deal, the subscribe button. Click on the little bell so the next time I come out with a video, you guys get it. And until next time, mwah, love you all. Thank you so much for following me. Peace, love, and chicken grease. Take care.
Hi, good afternoon. This is Brad Kamansky, and I'm so excited about Best Easy Work. I really can't even tell you guys. For those of you that have joined, thank you, and you guys are making money, and you're being blessed. But for those of you who have not joined this program yet, I have no clue what you are waiting for. Let me just point out something that's so powerful, okay? I didn't have one sale come in today, not one. I didn't make a penny on my own. But look at this right here. This guy did 188. My guy, Don B, gets 120. I get a $30 override, okay? There's a $30 override right there for sitting on my butt doing absolutely nothing. Then I got this other guy comes in at 88. He was brought to me by a free member. Michael gets 25. I get 25. But then this guy ends up in my organization. So he just brought me a paid member. Thank you so much, Michael. Laureen Waterman came in under Justin. He's also a free member. So he made 25. I made 25. And I get this paid member in my organization. So I've got this paid member. I've got this paid member in my organization. And then I got a roll-up sale today. This program is so fantastic. Look at that. I made $80. And remember, I promote other programs, so that's not all I made today. But I made $80 with Best Easy Work. and I've been sitting on my ass and didn't do a thing. Excuse the language. Anyway, you guys got to join. This program is amazing. It will put money in your pocket, okay? You have a wonderful day. Thanks for checking it out, and be blessed. Bye-bye.